After a lifelong affinity for small motorcycles, it was finally time to get a street legal one. The popularity of mini motos were on the rise, but obviously no manufacturer was offering anything with the power output that was worth it. So what's the solution? You have two options: settle for something you don't want and enjoy it as it is, or create what you dreamed of. So this is what I came up with. I am a huge advocate of creation, and I'd love to encourage and motivate you to exercise your creative outlets no matter what they are. Now, if you caught that build video, you know that the objective was to make it work no matter what, cut no corners, and create a factory looking bike. Mission accomplished. I think it looks beautiful. So naturally, I had to take it somewhere beautiful to start off with a little photo shoot. Oh. Hey, obviously adding the most beautiful thing in the world to the picture was a no-brainer. I am so blessed to have this smoking hot babe help me. The only thing that's better is riding it, so it's time to see how this little thing sounds and performs. The focus cycle you know what I mean, let's go. It's really beautiful out here, and I'm really lucky to be alive on this planet. We all are. But I know it's been a long video, and I'm going to wrap this up. But before I do, I just want to remind everybody to get outside and enjoy nature a little bit. A lot of people don't like when it gets cold out, but this is the perfect opportunity to embrace change. Do I need to remind you to give that like and subscribe button a smack? Possibilities are endless with your support. We've got more projects, ideas, and pretty fun stuff coming up. You can also show your support at nomorenonsense.org. Grab a hoodie, stay warm, much love, and many blessings.